Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning, back for another installment of our 366 video challenge for 2020. Today I wanted to talk about buyer beware post Secure Act. So we've made numerous videos about the Secure Act and how it changes estate planning and how it's got some implications for retirement strategies and things like that. And I just want to put a little bit of a public service announcement out there about beware of people who claim that they've got the perfect solution, regardless of telling or without hearing your story, without knowing anything about you or your strategy or anything. Examples would be like estate planning lawyers who say that everybody who has a trust has to have 3 key fixes that apply to every trust, or financial advisors who say that you have to have a Roth conversion, or life insurance agents who say you have to buy, this perfect new life insurance product. They're just taking advantage of the situation. They're taking advantage of the fact that you probably don't know any better. They're taking advantage of the fact that this is a change in the law that touches a lot of people. And so there's a lot of snake oil salesmen. There's a lot of unscrupulous professionals out there who are just looking to sell you more things, who are just looking to get more money out of you. So if somebody tells you that they've got the perfect solution for you without talking to you, without knowing anything about you, you need to run away. They're not acting in your best interest. So anybody who has a trust, who has an IRA paying to that trust, probably should have their plan reviewed. But it doesn't mean that you have to have like a wholesale rewrite of your trust. It doesn't mean that you have to buy a standalone retirement trust. It doesn't mean that you have to use a charitable remainder unit trust or an irrevocable life insurance trust. This is not some, large scale rewrite of estate planning. Most of the time, if there is an IRA payable to a trust, it just needs to be tweaked a little bit. It just needs to have the retirement account language, changed to take into consideration new regulations. But it doesn't mean your entire plan should be rewritten or that you should be paying for a brand new trust. I mean, it's ridiculous. So keep an eye out for people who are just trying to sell you something. Anybody who you're working with should be a true fiduciary. So it should all be about honest planning first and foremost. What's in your best interest? It could be a massive change if that's really what's needed, but there should be a really good reason for that. It shouldn't just be sort of this rubber stamp, silver bullet planning strategy that supposedly works for everybody. So keep that in mind. We're going to send out an email probably this time next week about sitting down and doing review meetings and making tweaks to trusts that are receiving IRA assets where appropriate. But first and foremost, a review is needed. We have to reevaluate what your strategy is post Secure Act with these new IRA regulations. And if your strategies change, if your wishes have changed, then we need to reevaluate what the plan looks like to take into consideration your new wishes. Maybe your trust needs to be changed, maybe not. If you don't have a trust, don't worry about it. But without knowing more about your situation now, we can't give you an effective strategy. Nobody can. It's just ridiculous. So keep an eye out, beware. If you want to get on our calendar to review your trust plan, we'd be happy to. We don't charge for review meetings, unlike a lot of lawyers, and it's just because we want to make sure our clients have education and know what they're getting themselves into. Click the link below. You can schedule a meeting with us. And if you have any specific questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. Keep an eye out for additional videos coming from us over the next few days and the rest of 2020. Hope you like these videos. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.